Need to find your clipboard on an Android phone but not sure where it is? In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to access, view, and manage your clipboard using your keyboard so you can quickly paste copied text anytime. Step 1. Start by opening any app where you can type. Good examples include Google Messages, Keep Notes, Gmail, WhatsApp, or any Notes app. Tap inside a text field to make your keyboard appear on the screen. The clipboard is usually only available after the keyboard is visible. Step 2. Once your keyboard opens, look across the top toolbar for the clipboard icon. On Gboard, it looks like a clipboard or piece of paper on a board. On Samsung keyboard, you'll also find a clipboard option in the toolbar. Tap the icon to open your saved clipboard history. Step 3. If the clipboard icon isn't visible, don't worry. Tap the menu button, which may appear as 4 small squares, a grid icon, or 3 dots, depending on your keyboard. This opens additional keyboard tools. From the list, tap Clipboard to access your copied items. If you're using Gboard for the first time, you may also need to enable the Clipboard feature by turning it on. Step 4. You'll now see recently copied text, links, or other supported content. Simply tap any item to paste it into the text field. You can also long press an item to pin it so it stays saved longer, or delete it if you no longer need it. Keep in mind that many Android keyboards automatically remove older clipboard entries after a period of time for privacy and security. That's it. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Android tutorials every day.